Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You may have noticed that I've been picking up a lot of these Android TV boxes of various ages and capabilities. This is the newest and best box so far that I've found as far as specs go. And yeah, one of the things that I started realizing as I was using it is it's kind of awkward to use a widescreen monitor and try and do productivity work. So part of the trick is to find one of these 4:3 aspect ratio type monitors and set up your box with that. And then when you actually open up a word processor document, it's feels much more natural to work in. The other thing you can do if you really want to change things up is this is rotatable. You could actually rotate it and even be more narrow across the top. And then it'd just be a really long document. So that's another option for you if you're into these Android boxes and trying to make them into productivity tools. So yeah, it isn't terrible to use as a productivity tool once you do a few things like that. I particularly like the terminal in it. Works pretty well. And then I use a program called Smart Launcher. And Smart Launcher allows you to have an interface like this, very clean. And then it has basically your apps that you can access, very much like something you would see in a desktop arrangement. So that's why I particularly like this one. It's low resource, and it just allows me to do the things that I want it to do. It's very similar to what feels like a desktop system. I like that it has sort of like the start menu thing for accessing your apps. And then I also like that you can have a bunch of apps on the desktop, and it feels like it behaves more like a regular computer. So there you go, guys. That's my latest update on my project. Hope you're having a great Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one.